Hi, my name is Carlotta Champagne. I have been modeling 23 years in the figure art glamour industry. I've been modeling for 23 years, which is a really long time for this industry, but I love it. I feel passionate about it. I have a degree in art. I collect erotic art, so it's sort of my life, my whole life. The person that runs Muses in Wonderland is Alice Antonette, and I've been familiar with her work for some time and just been wanting to work with her. And when she reached out to me about the event, I'm like, yeah, I've seen it. I've seen pictures from it. It looks really cool. So I figured, why not? Let's take the opportunity and do this. I came to the venue actually the day before, so I feel like I got a sneak preview, but it's beautiful out here. The weather's gorgeous. It's like the perfect time of year. There's just, nature is blooming. Everything's green. There's horses. There's a baby horse. How cool is that? So not that I can ride it or anything, but I can look at it from afar and get excited. But yeah, it's a stunning location. There's so much, you know, in every corner there's something different, but you have to be able to go discover it. So you don't want to just stay in one place the whole time. Well, I have been to a lot of events, and there's a couple of things that really strike me about this. One is just really good attitudes with the models, and I think a lot of that comes down to the organizer and how she's put this together from a model's perspective. So because it's not run by a man, there's just things that I think women consider, and whether it's having like specific wardrobe or makeup remover or tampons or whatever, it's all been thought of. It doesn't feel like a boys' club here. Like, it feels like the women actually have a stronger role and are able to sort of come in this in a very comfortable place. So I'm very happy with my experience here. My favorite location was, there's like a field of yellow daisies, and it's in like the horse pasture, so you kind of have to watch out for like poop bombs. But oh my gosh, is it incredible. It's just like fields of yellow daisies. So, you know, walk around the bombs and get some cool shots. I think that's a really good idea because it gives photographers the awareness of like, oh, this person has this availability, this is where I can jump in. I think that it's a really smart idea. It just shows everyone where you're at right away. Keep on hustling, you're doing great. Location's amazing, it's growing. I think you're gonna need a bigger barn soon. I'm really happy with it, and I think that the industry should be grateful to have a woman running something like this that understands both sides. So. Beautiful, it's serene. I know I'm leaving with a lot of really gorgeous images, and I think it's worth it. Thank you guys so much. I'm Carlotta Champagne. You can find me everywhere under that name, so check out the links below.